Hi, my name's Nick Lees. I'm with Bell Lifestyle Canada. We're here at the kind invitation of Jenny from Spring to attend this Continence show. We're here primarily to display our range of incontinence products, both for men and for women. We have a prostate control, we have capsulated bladder control teas, we have constipation teas, and we have a range of products which complement the whole stress and problems that people face in incontinence issues, such as sleep. A lot of people who have to get up, go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, have trouble sleeping. Stress, of course, is another big issue because people worry about having to get up in the middle of the night, worry about waking their partner, worrying about always having to look for where a bathroom is. So we also have our stress control products here today.
Well, the Society for Continence Singapore was set up in 1991, and over the last 30 plus years we have been trying to push out the message that incontinence isn't a natural part of aging. You shouldn't accept incontinence, but there are many treatments available. It is a medical disease that is highly treatable and nobody needs to suffer from this. Our aim is to restore the quality of life of all the sufferers and their caregivers for the incontinent patients. You must remember, incontinence does not kill you, but it can take away your life. Our aim is to restore the quality of life for these unfortunate sufferers. At the Society for Continence Singapore, we hold many events for the public and for healthcare professionals. One of our aims is to drive the education of incontinence among the Singaporeans. Please come and join us for all our events. Learn more about incontinence and, more importantly, learn more about what you can do to help prevent and treat patients with incontinence. Please come join us.